Hi guys, and welcome to Scrap Rat. I'm Cindy, and we are in the during of our Authentic Craftroom Tours with the hashtag Finding My Floor. And this is the collaboration between myself and Candy over at Candy's Crafty Creations. And if you want to check out the playlist, I will link it below with all of the other creators who have joined in. And if you caught my last video, we went through one of the card catalogs over there, and I purged a lot of my tags. And I just want to show you where I put them and to talk about what I'm going to do probably and hopefully in the next video. I'm going to go through and excuse the camera angles, guys, and it's probably going to be a little wonky. Don't fall. We're going to go through this and this. And this is my mechanics binder holder, but we're going to go through this in the next video. But I just want to give you a quick show, I guess, of what I have gotten done down here. Let's bring you down, bring you down. And like I said, sorry for the weird angles. I've told y'all I am not a cameraman. No, sir. Okay, so this is my dies. We've looked at this before. It's still not really organized, but I can find what I'm looking for. This is my embossing folders and a couple of the big dies. And this one is, these are all of my tag blanks, and I still need to go through these. I am going to go through them and pull out some of them, and journaling cards and a feather. Imagine that, me have a feather. Okay. These are some of the tags that I had over there, and I still have room back behind this. These actually scoot back quite a ways. These go back quite a ways. So, and this one I think is full. Yeah, this one's full. But these are some of the ones from over there. And then these still have quite a bit of room. These are my, can you see? Yeah, you can kind of see. Let's scooch down just a little bit more. Okay. These are coin envelopes and little mini, like little mini, teeny tiny envelopes, like itty bitty ones, like little bitty ones. And some button pockets. I don't know why, I've collected them for years. And some little bitty baby bags. These are the tea-dyed bags, or tea-dyed tags that I had, and library cards and library pockets and my little jewelry tags. And some of those big tags, the bigger ones, some of the metal ones and stuff in there. And in the bottom drawer, we have, oops, those are bill envelopes. I have to put them somewhere. So those are bill envelopes. But and I do use them in here sometimes. These are, let me see, okay, yes, some envelopes and the bigger index cards, and then these are index cards and Rolodex cards. So this cabinet is now pretty much done, as far as I'm sure I will find more things that need to go in there. Stay, stay. Fighting with my camera always. This cabinet is pretty much done. I still have a few little things that need to go in there. And I still want to go through those journaling cards and those other pre-cut tags that I have, and would like to gift some of those to my mother-in-law as well. And there's a couple of boxes, not boxes, but like the little bins that I kind of want to thumb through real quick. And yeah, but she has quite an array of things over there, and anything that she doesn't want, I'm going to probably keep some of them, not all of them, but keep some of them so I can put them in my joy mail. And if you haven't heard of the joy mail yet, the joy mail is that you use the hashtag spread joy and you tell your story of how you spread joy. And then you are entered into a drawing. I draw one creator and one subscriber. I draw one a month, one of each a month, and I send out joy mail. So I haven't saved everything that I've purged, but I have put I have some stuff. Um, not 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 anything that I, not anything that it wasn't hard to get rid of. I'll just put it that way. So yeah, it's all good stuff, and it's stuff that I think it would bring joy to others to get. So yeah, so if you haven't shared your story, please feel free to do so. You can do it on any platform. You do not have to have a channel. You can share it below. You can share it on my community page. Just make sure you tag me or and you tag me and that you use the hashtag spread joy. You can do it over on my Facebook page as well, over on the Scrap Rat Facebook page, which is also linked below. It's linked in the description box, but I will also put it in the comment box of this video. And yeah, and so just if you want to share your story of how you spread joy, I would love to send you some joy mail. So just wanted to say thanks, give you guys a little bit of an update. It didn't take me long to get it done, and I feel much better about the empty drawers over there. Probably gonna stay up a little late tonight and see if I can get my son's homeschooling stuff in those drawers. So yeah, so just wanted to say thanks to everybody for stopping by. Thanks for all your support. And yeah, you guys go out and do whatever you can to spread joy today. And until next time, much love, guys. Thanks a lot. Bye.